Hello dear fans. What is a mixed market economy? A mixed economy involves a combination of private, corporate, and state property. Today this economic system is the most widespread in the world. Types of economic systems. The types of economic systems can be distinguished on various grounds, but the most widespread classification is according to the form of ownership of the resource and the ways of ensuring the coordination of activities. According to this criterion, four types of economic systems are distinguished: traditional, market, command, and mixed economies. The traditional economy was widespread in ancient and medieval societies, but it is still preserved today in a number of underdeveloped states. Its distinctive feature is the dominance of customs and traditions in the implementation of economic activities. Most command economy enterprises are state-owned. The decision on the production of products, its assortment, production volumes is taken by state bodies. That is why such an economy is often called a planned economy. The state also regulates such aspects as salaries and directions of investment costs. The USSR is a typical example of a command economy. The key principle of a market economy is free enterprise, as well as ensuring a variety of forms of ownership of the means of production. A market economy implies market pricing and limited government intervention in the activities of business entities. In the classical model of a market economy, the state plays absolutely no role in the allocation of resources. All decisions are made by market actors. Hong Kong is usually cited as an example of such a system. Features of a mixed market economy. Today you can find a purely command or market economic system that absolutely excludes the role of the state. Most countries combine market principles with government regulation to create a mixed economy. In a mixed economy, entrepreneurs can make independent decisions about their own financial activities, but their autonomy in these matters is limited by the state. At the same time, the state, along with private companies, can carry out the movement of goods, carry out sales and purchase transactions, hire employees, etc. Such economic activity allows the state to partially ensure its financial independence and direct the funds received to the functioning of its institutions. Another part of the income is provided by existing taxes and fees. A mixed economy is considered the most efficient economic system today. It allows solving such important tasks as combating unemployment and inflation, efficient use of production capacity, ensuring wage growth in proportion to productivity, as well as an equilibrium balance of payments. Mixed economies. Three main models of a mixed economy are conventionally distinguished. Neo-statist with developed nationalized sectors. Examples include Japan, England, Italy, and France. Neoliberal, in which the participation of the state is aimed solely at protecting competition, exists in the USA, Germany. A model of concerted action or a socially oriented model of the economy, in which the main tasks of the state are aimed at equalizing income. Sweden, Austria, Belgium are examples. Thanks for watching.